Now it's time for coffee with Kurt. Alright, so which company do you work for, Jen?
I work for a school corporation, Greenfield Community School Corporation.
How long been with Greenfield?
This will be my second year with them.
Okay, and what's your degree in?
Elementary and special education.
So, how you learned anything from Tiffany and Naomi this week?
Probably more than I could list.
Oh my goodness.
In my head, it's just like,
whoa.
I'm pretty sure it's like expanding.
So, what is your favorite vacation spot?
Probably Florida.
Florida. What is your favorite color?
Pink or purple?
What is your favorite coffee?
Oh, none. Zero.
None? You don't like coffee?
No.
No?
No, not a coffee.
So
Hot chocolate.
Oh, okay.
So what's your beverage?
Oh, yeah, that sounds good. So what's your plans for the 4th of July weekend? Got any plans or anything, or watch the fireworks or anything, or?
I'm gonna watch the fireworks. I think I'm gonna try to go downtown. I've never done it downtown, and I hear it's like phenomenal.
Cool. That's good.
Do you have any advice for like speaking in public or speaking to all these new people?
Ryan, you got any advice?
Do you have advice?
No, not very good advice for. No, not good at the advice department though. Sorry to say.
Yeah. Should I be nervous about it?
Oh, not at all. I mean, if you like public speaking, then that's like to do it. I don't think you should be nervous about it.
Are you ever nervous?
Oh no. Are you, Ryan? Yeah, Ryan and I are never nervous, so I think you'll be okay.
Just confident all the time?
That's right, Jen.
Thank you.
Yeah. Nice to meet you, Jen.
Nice to meet you.